Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video tutorial I will show you how to link EA to Steam. So if you are also looking to link your EA account to Steam, this video guide will surely help you. So for that what you need to do is first go to your web browser. In the web browser search for ea.com. After that log into it. Next click on your profile icon over here and then click on account settings. After that you need to enter your user ID and password. So simply log into your EA account using your EA account using your ID password or choose your Google account. After you log into it, now this type of interface will open. Here you need to click on connected accounts option. So you need to link your Steam account, so simply you need to click on Steam over here. It will ask for continue to the Steam site to link your account, so you simply need to click on continue. It will open in a new tab. Now you need to log into your Steam account. After you log in to your Steam account, this type of interface will open in the community center. Here you can see that sign in into Electronic Arts using your Steam account. So what you need to do is simply click on sign in option. After that it will ask for Electronic Arts is requesting permission to access the following. So what you need to do is simply allow. Click on allow option and wait for some time. And after that here you can see it's saying link your EA account to Steam. So you simply need to click on link accounts, and here you can see your Steam account has been linked over here. So through this way you can easily link your EA account to your Steam account. So that's all for in this video. Thank you.